Hey guys, I know I'm late this week, but I'm finally done and here it is. This week I wanted to share with you all one of the ways that I express love. I didn't buy any of this specially for this card. I made it using the supplies that I already had lying around. So open your craft boxes and see what you can find in yours. One of the things that I love about DIY stuff is that you can personalize it however you like and with whatever you have. To give my hanging hearts a little bit more stability, I ended up pasting a transparent plastic sheet between the black and the yellow part of the card. I'll be posting a few pics of my card on my Instagram page. I'll link that down below. Don't forget to tag me on your creations. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, smash that like button, share and subscribe to my channel. As always, be fearless, be brave.